and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a throw pillow, and usually this comes in pairs, so I'm doing a pair of throw pillows. I learned quite recently that they can be called throw pillows or toss pillows because you throw them on the bed, you throw them in the couch, you throw them on a chair to add a little wow, to do a little decoration and such like. I also learned that the cushion is a part of the furniture. So the cushion is the seat that comes in your couch, in your settee, in your sofa, and so on. So I'm making a throw pillow. I went ahead and I cut 3 inches. I double turned the edge and I did the gathers for the frill. So I'm going to turn this right side down on the right side of the pillow, and I'm just going to pin this in place. The frills have been basted in place, and now I am just going to go to the machine and begin stitching them on. This is what the front looks like after I stitched the frills in place. Now I'm going to take the back. I open the zipper about halfway and I am going to lay this face down, so the right side will go toward the right side of the cushion. I'm going to now pin this in place. Alright, so I've put in enough pins and I am now going to go ahead and baste this section. Now when you baste, it holds the pieces in place so that no shifting will take place and cause you to have to pick out and redo. So it is good to baste so that things are held securely while you stitch. Here they are, a pair of throw pillows, all done with ruffles, frills, whatever you call them. Remember to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when the next video comes out, you will be informed. Thank you.